everyone, I brought the OG with me today. Here, another unboxing. Almost.
I'm Abel, by the way.
He is Abel. Anyways, today we have a really special phone here with us. I'm sure you guys can see right here the iconic logo, which every gamer knows. If you don't know this logo, you ain't a real gamer.
Where were you?
Fake fan. This is the Razer Phone 2. We missed out on the Razer Phone 1 here in Malaysia, and I was kind of sad.
They didn't even bring in to Malaysia.
No, we missed it. But now, because you know, hashtag esports, we finally got Razer here in Malaysia. So let's unbox with our bare hands.
Where's the nails?
Ooh.
Yes!
The real unbox.
Ooh. This is a really nice box, by the way.
It is a nice box. You can feel the texture over here.
And inside there's a nice Razer name right here. Oh.
Ooh, is it magnets?
Yeah, it's magnetic. Okay, so we have the co-founder of CEO and Razer personally
write us a letter.
So here's the phone. Ooh.
That looks so cool. Ken Jim. This is
not so good.
Can hear Ken Jim just die inside every time we pull.
Oh, that was so good.
Oh wow. Okay.
So we have not opened this, as obviously as you can see.
And this is how the smartphone looks like.
Not much difference from the first Razer phone.
Yeah.
It looks quite similar.
Alright, let's move on over here. Let's see what else is in the box. Whoa, it opens like a book. Is there anything in here?
I think there's nothing here.
No, there's nothing in here, right?
So this must be the booklet.
Have our Razer.
Oh, we got stickers.
Oh, perfect! Powered by Razer Chroma. For gamers by gamers. Show off your cult.
Wow. Even the pin is customized. Look at this.
It's an actual Razer.
It's a Razer pin. Like, it looks so good and cool at the same time.
Until you lose it.
Until you lose it. Please don't lose it. Touch wood. This is the charger.
This is charger. I think this is a fast charger.
It should be a fast charger.
This is fast charger.
And finally the cable.
Oh, it's braided. I like how everything in the box is put very, very nicely and picturesquely. I mean, in a way, this itself is a form of marketing because when you open this, you're just like Instagram. You know what I'm trying to say? It is kind of like you want to show off your new Razer phone. You have over here on the back is a dual rear camera setup, 12 megapixel wide camera and a normal 12 megapixel camera. And if I'm not wrong, the Razer here actually lights up.
Yeah, finally.
So over here, below this button, you have the power button over here, which I'm guessing this is also the fingerprint scanner, or is it not? Because I know the first one, fingerprint scanner is over here.
The fingerprint scanner still retains on the power button actually.
Alright, and this is the volume button and the
SIM tray card right there.
Alright. Ooh. Look at the background. Wait, hang on. I just want to see the fingerprint. Can you see how fast it goes?
So this is the fingerprint and
oh, that's quite fast.
It's quite smooth. So this is the Razer UI user interface. Looks nice.
This is a 120 Hz screen. Can you actually see any difference? I have to turn it on first, right? Try and see if I turn it on. There, it's only 90.
So it's 90.
So let's put it to 120.
Let's put 60 and then we'll see how it goes. So this is now 60. Oh, you can actually feel like
there's a bit of a lag.
It's like a flip effect.
Yeah.
And then if you're gonna put to 120, I believe it will be a lot smoother.
Wow.
This is so much smoother. Like, ooh.
I don't know if the camera can actually see this, but you can actually feel it when you see it with your own
There is
eyes.
a difference, guys.
This is 5.72 inch display screen, and the front here you can see the front-facing speakers. Camera here, which is at 8 megapixels.
And there's a face sensor right over here.
Yep. On the side here you have the volume buttons, which I really like because they're just like simple dots.
Yeah, and it's in the middle, which your fingers won't get interfere.
Yeah, I don't like it when I have to like go all the way up just to do that. And also we have the dual SIM card tray, which does support expandable memory.
Yeah, it does. So don't worry about having just to be stuck on your 64 gig of storage.
Yeah, which is quite low actually.
It's really low for a gaming phone.
Yeah. And then down here you only have your USB Type C. There is no sign of jack on this Titanic.
Yeah, but you know, Titanic.
This is
the bezels here. I mean, it's not really bezels. It's just that there's
the
a blank.
screen is not all the way till the end. What I do like about this is that when there's like bezels on top and bottom like this, when you hold it, it's really nice when
It's
you
nice.
game.
It's nice.
Because whenever I hold a phone that doesn't really have the sides, whenever I game, I tend to like accidentally click on things, which is kind of annoying. Yeah, but the thing is, another thing that I don't like, I mean, not I don't like, I'm just questioning this, is that when I game, if my hands are like this, will I be covering the speaker?
Obviously you will.
Will it be muffled? That's also another thing. And also another thing as well, like just now, there was some dirt actually got into the speaker grills right over here.
Yeah.
We don't know. This could be a design flaw because of all the dust. Yeah, all the dust gets inside here.
Do you have to blow it out like?
It's not just that, but I'm just scared like it's gonna get stuck in the hole and
Yeah.
you can't like kind of clean
Don't
it.
go anywhere that has dust. So that's how the sound.
That's really nice speakers.
Just so you know, this speaker is Dolby Atmos certified. So any game would probably sound nice just like this one now. Now we're just gonna play maybe a game just to see how it goes.
This is 120 hertz screen.
Okay, so far so good. Alright, so first impression, pretty good for gaming. No doubt the Razer Phone 2 can handle graphic intense games easily. So.
Yeah, it also has a cooling system.
Oh yeah, it does. And so I played one game. So far, it does feel a bit warm, just a bit, but
I think that's to be expected from this game because this game is quite.
This is a
intense.
powerful phone, and you know, it's expected to heat up anyway. So
Yeah, but the thing is even then, I think this is one of the nicer looking games you can see in a phone so far.
It's so good. Like it's like so good.
So now another thing I've been seeing on the internet right now is the hashtag shot on Razer Phone 2, which implies actually it is going on, which implies that the camera is something quite special. It is the megapixel for the camera isn't that crazy. It's not like what 48 megapixel or anything like that. This is what 12 and 12.
It's just a 12 and 12, and it has optical image stabilizer, which is nice.
And it's a 2x zoom as well. So let's just try it out. It goes for 3449 right now in Malaysia.
It's a pretty weird price tag.
It is a pretty weird price tag, and also another thing is if you want this, you can get it from you can get it from Maxis, U-Mobile.
Maxis and U-Mobile have the package deal. You can go to our website and check out how you want to get it.
Right, but Abel, would you get this phone?
It's a good question. Because the thing is, I already have my ROG phone. I mean, seriously, I have my ROG phone, so
That's not me. I don't know about you.
But what about you? I mean, you don't have an ROG phone.
I don't have an ROG phone, but I like it as in a gaming kind of way. Yes, it's cool, but in a non-gaming kind of way, I probably wouldn't get it because I don't know, it's just too big and bulky for me. Alright, I think that's all about this smartphone. Let us know if you will get your own Razer smartphone. Oh, it's blue.
One side blue, one side purple.
And let us know what you think of this smartphone. Would you get this smartphone? Or you wouldn't? Let us know. Okay, that's all for us. See you guys next time in the next unboxing. Goodbye.
Okay, bye.